Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to True Telos Trading. Today is Monday, the 12th of January, 2026. We have another A-plus quality stock that we traded this morning. This one was a bit tough because it was a penny stock and it had news of government purchases of its products. I was waiting for this thing to get above the 200 moving average. It was moving a little bit earlier today and it was moving off a very small volume. But after 7 a.m. Central Standard Time, we started to see a lot of volume come into this stock. It progressed past the 200 MA and we took a dip trade off of it, and we were up only 1 cent on the day, but we were able to buy 812 shares of this stock, giving us a profit on that 1 cent of $9 and some change. It was a very good trade. So let's go ahead and get into that stock of the day to see how we traded it. The ticker of the stock we traded this morning was EVTV. Again, today is the 12th of January, 2026. The stock had a good news catalyst this morning. As a matter of fact, it said that the U.S. government had purchased over 100 million, or let me go back here and check. Yes, 100 million worth of purchases of a government order of over $100 million purchases in this company's product. This would be a +3 here. Very significant news. The float on the stock was below 10 million. As a matter of fact, it was at 3.1 million. So 3 million shares, definitely below 10. This would be a +2 here. It had just gotten over the 200 moving average when we had hopped into the stock. The 200 moving average was at 88 cents. It had made a high right over that stock, or right over that price at let me get back here and check, 91 cents. And we had bought the dip of that 91 cent at 90 and then sold it at 91. But I digress. Let's go ahead. So it was above the 200 MA +2. The stock had approximately 200,000 to 400,000 shares trading per minute. So definitely over my 100,000. This would be a +1 here. When I traded it, it was up over 90%, or close to 85 to 90%. So definitely over 40. This would be a +1 here. Price is definitely under $10. As like I said, I bought it at 90 cents. So this would be a +1 here. And it was the number one stock in the market this morning when I traded it. This would be +1 here. It was not at any all-time 52-week all-time highs. This would be a +0 here. If we had all of these together, this gives us a score of 11. And according to our True Telos Trading Grading Scale, a score of 11 is an A+ phenomenal stock. We use the dip to resumption strategy to purchase shares on a small sell dip down. We were able to get +1 cent of profit per share on this stock. Very, very small, but considering the number of shares we were able to purchase, because it was under $1, it was very significant. I should have sold a little bit earlier, but I was expecting a little bit of a move higher. Even though I didn't get it, it's perfectly fine because we're so profitable today. We were in this for about 3 minutes, and like I said, if I would have stuck to that sale within 1 minute, I would have probably been up over $20 today. But I'm going to call a green day nonetheless. We are up today $9.10 on this trade. And like I said, we bought 812 shares of this stock. So still significant. It's a green day on an A+ quality stock. And it's something that I'm going to continue to do, sticking to the strategies that I've developed. Let's go ahead and get into the chart to see how we traded this stock today. This is the stock we traded this morning. As you see, it's still making this move. I traded it in between this zone right here. This is the next resistance point up here at 110, and this is the 200 MA down here at 88. So I waited until price got above that resistance, or excuse me, that 200 MA resistance point, and I waited until it came back down, did a little dip. I bought this dip down here, filling at 90 cents. And I was hoping for, this push right here to happen right here, but obviously it didn't. I saw a little bit of resistance up here at 93. Unfortunately, I did not sell at 93. I sold at 91. I was hoping, I held for just a few seconds too long. I was hoping for this thing to keep on pushing. As you see, it had, if you're looking up here at the volume, it had over 1 million shares of volume during this time that I was trading it. So I was hoping for that significant push. But after I didn't see that push, I went ahead and sold immediately, because I didn't want to get that full retracement down, especially when we have that many shares trading at this amount of time. And as you see over here, it's not this 1 million to 2 million shares. It doesn't share the same sentiment over here with the same push higher. It does right here as we move on to where the time is now, but back here, I was not expecting this price to move as high as it did. I was expecting it right here. But sometimes the market doesn't react the way we want it to react. We got out with profit nonetheless, and it's something that I am definitely going to continue to do. We stuck to all of our strategies today. We only traded the stocks that matched our True Telos trading grading scale and all of its criteria to be an A+ quality stock, and we came out on top. That's exactly what we want to do. We're not looking to catch the full move like we are, like you see here. We're looking to get our little bit of profit and to get out. Like I always say, I am looking for a slice of the pie. I don't want the whole pie myself, because if I try to get the whole pie, more than likely I'm going to come up hungry. So again, A+ quality stock. Very, very good trade. Stayed disciplined and stayed patient. We're going to continue this for the foreseeable future. If you love this content, please don't be afraid to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please do not be afraid to ask. As always, I'm an open book when it comes to everything that I'm doing. I wish you all a great Monday and happy trading, and I will see you all tomorrow.